Welcome to Viji's Time and Space. There are so many variations of making chakli using besan, wheat, rice, etc. All lend a different texture and taste. It's called murku in Malayalam. So the one I'm sharing is a basic, easy and a very old recipe that is followed in South India. This one is very different with an aroma of roasted urad dal and a crunchy, crispy and tasty as well. The ratio used for rice flour and urad dal is 4:1. That is, for 4 cup of rice flour, use 1 cup of urad dal. For 2 cups, use half a cup of urad dal. And as I am making with 1 cup of rice flour, I've taken just 1/4 cup of urad dal. Other ingredients required: amul butter 2 tablespoons, chili powder 1.5 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, asafoetida or hing 1/4 teaspoon, sesame seeds 1.5 teaspoon, cumin seeds 1.5 teaspoon, and salt to taste. So the first thing to do is wash and soak 1/4 cup of urad dal for not more than 5 minutes in water and then strain and dry roast on a low medium flame. Keep stirring and roast evenly until they turn golden and leaves out the aroma. Off the flame, cool and powder it to a fine flour. Next is to prepare the dough for murku. In a mixing bowl, take 1 cup of rice flour. Add this fine urad dal flour to it. Add 1.5 teaspoon chili powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida or hing, 1.5 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1.5 teaspoon sesame seeds and salt to taste. Give a quick mix with this spoon. Now heat up 2 tablespoon butter or ghee in a pan. Pour it to the flour and combine everything well. The hot oil makes them light. Now knead the flour, adding little water at a time. The quantity of water depends on the quality of rice flour, on how much it soaks. I've used approximate 3/4 cup and 2 tablespoons of water to knead it to a smooth, stiff and not sticky dough. If the dough is sticky, it will absorb lots of oil while frying, and if it is dry, then chakli will break while making. Grease the chakli maker from inside. Grease the attachments as well. Now form a log out of the dough and place it inside the maker. Attach the handle and secure it tightly. Slowly release the dough and make a spiral on a butter paper or moist cloth, whichever you feel is easy to lift each one and fry. I've removed it on a steel spatula which has holes. The size of the chakli depends on you. Just make sure that the spirals are not spaced out but an intact coil. If the dough is stiff or breaking while making the spirals, try adding a teaspoon or 2 of water and kneading it. You need a soft dough that extrudes well. Put the flame to medium high. Make sure the oil is hot enough. Place the spatula with murku in the oil. The murku or the chakli will leave the spatula. Fry on a low medium flame. Don't overturn the chakli as soon as you put them. Fry until golden and crisp, flipping it midway. The bubbles begin to reduce when fried well. Make sure you fry them evenly or they will turn chewy after 2 to 3 days. Place them on tissue paper and get rid of the excess oil. Test the first batch with 1 or 2 chaklis and then adjust the temperature accordingly. Fry rest of the chaklis in the same way. Store in an airtight container. It stays well up to 3 weeks, but I promise it won't last that long. Remember to use the fine powder of rice flour. Apart from the ratio quantity of the rice flour and the urad dal, other spices can be altered as per your taste. Whether it's festival or just to munch with a cup of tea, chaklis are the best to go with. This traditional quick and easy rice and urad dal chakli recipe can be an instant hit for your next festival celebrations. Cooking with love provides food for the soul. Now, doesn't that look really tempting? Enjoy it with your family and friends. Wishing everyone happy, healthy and prosperous Diwali. Thank you for watching.